We're going to be back in the same spot, but this time we're going to choose the dates that we're going to check in and check out, along with the number of guests that will be joining you. Once you've chosen your check-in, check-out date, we'll hit search. You will be sent to the list of available rooms where you can look through and choose which room suits all your needs. For this example, I'm going to be using this test unit. Obviously, don't book this test unit. It says right here. Here you'll be able to access all the photos inside the room so you can get a sneak peek before actually deciding to book. After you've done that, you'll see on the right side here a cost breakdown, check-in, check-out date, the number of guests you have coming with you, and the other charges that will be along with check-in and down payment. There's also a spot here where if you have a promotion code, then apply that right now, and that will of course affect the price and the overall cost of your stay as well. You can also see at the top of the screen here, you can check out the location. You can look at the schematic layout of the actual floor. So they have the floor plan here so you can see where the bathrooms are, living room, kitchen. And when you go back, you can see the 3D tours here as well. So you can click into this. It brings you right into the room. Everything that you want to see before staying at HIVEN. Okay, and when you're done all this, you can go down to the bottom and click reserve. You will then be brought to our guest details page. This is where you'll be able to type in your name and relevant information for who is staying. And since I only chose one person, I only had to fill out one name, but if you have multiple guests, you will have multiple of these forms to fill out, and make sure that each guest puts in their relevant information. When you're done with that, we'll move on to payment authorization. You can read through this. Your first month's rent is not charged now. At this step, we'll collect security deposit and save your card for future approved charges under billing terms. On check-in day, we will charge your card for the initial payment for the first month, and then you'll be charged the recurring months if you continue to stay for more than 1 month. When you've read through the payment authorization section, make sure you come down here and select I agree. And here's a little information on the deposit refund policy. Cancellations made within 30 days of check-in may limit deposit refunds. So ensure that if you have to cancel for any reason, make sure you do it 30 days before, or else you won't receive your deposit back. And once you understand that, you will also check right here. Here's a little more about the policies and agreement. Agree to this one as well. And here's another payment breakdown section. We will take the deposit now, and then your first month's payment will be charged the day that you check in. And then we'll move on to the billing section. This section is pretty straightforward, like most websites. Here you will fill out your payment information, whether you're using Apple Pay or debit or credit card. Pretty simple step. Once you've completed that, you will go down to the bottom of the page and click pay. And whatever card you use will be charged right now for that deposit. Then you will have the booking confirmed information on this page. You'll be provided with your booking ID, and also on this page you can hit view my booking, and this will show all the relevant information we talked about earlier. When you're done looking over this and making sure everything is okay, this step is crucial. You will click on identity verification. This is where you need to pull out your phone and scan the QR code. So whatever documentation you'll be using, you will select that. So for me, I'm using a passport. I will start the verification, agree and continue, working with Stripe. It will prompt me with a QR code, and this is where I have to scan it with my phone. So you need to pull out your phone right now and scan this. And to let you know now, all of your guests, not only just the person booking, but everyone staying will also have to fill out this relevant information as well. So they will have to scan this and put in their information too. This is where you'll pull out your phone and scan the QR code with your camera. You have to grant access to your camera. And this is where you will take your passport and you'll have to scan your passport. After that, you can submit the photo. And then you will have to go through the selfie mode. This will scan your face in 3 different positions to confirm your identity. And then once that's confirmed, you're done and you can go back onto your computer or continue on your phone if that's what you're on. And that's pretty much it until the day of your check-in, which I'll go over the check-in process right now.